Since I got schooled on the homes that could be connected and linked between Belize and Guatemala, precisely Benque Viejo del Carmen and Flores Peteng, I stumbled across this. I'm assuming the outside is cement, but cement shouldn't crack like that, so it's a fine white lime mist. And if you can see behind it, it's just the rougher version of the white lime with stick, which we would call the bush stick, wooden frame, and then it gets covered with the white lime, and then you come back and refinish it with the refined white lime dust combination of ingredients. And there's a new business over here too. Even the modernization of the homes still show that strong connection to Flores Peteng, that connection to Peteng. This one right here, but it has been updated and modernized. The mission statement for Benque is the people's is first. Sometimes you have to ponder and like really calm yourself down, because that was a hard pill or tough pill to swallow, to see the peoples are number one. That's the first thing on the mission statement, then the mayor, then the councilmen / women. Bacadia, you said, right? So, oh, for logwood harvesting? Yeah, that's why I was coming over here, because I saw this monument that you guys erect. So, Bacadia for lumberyard. Benque, oh, based on the fact that it had timber. Viejo Benque? Okay. Benque Viejo, okay. This gentleman just verified and confirmed that that's a Chiclero monument erected to the community of Benque Viejo del Carmen. So I'm over here trying to connect that. We should try to see if there's ways on how to start planting those plants back again. And then here you go again with the architecture. It's a modern version of it, but striking image. So he stated that it was known to be a major hub for timber and possibly huge lumber yards as well. Whew. So it was a Chicleros. So the birth of this community was a Chiclero / timber community, paying homage and tribute to Chicleros right here. So this community is also a Mopan Maya descendant community.
With water and
yeah, I know it as a water lily. So the moral of today's story is, no matter how we try to like isolate and separate and and place so many different tags on our shoulders on how different we are. We're pretty much the same. Yes, we are indifferent when it comes to individualism, but food and the land connect us. Okay, so this is a bus terminal over here. You get off right here, you take a taxi, and then you go to the border. Come in between Melchor de Mencos and Benque connection. You take a taxi, you catch the bus line either here at this terminal, this other bus terminal. Okay, so now I'm officially in Socots, leaving Benque Viejo Del Carmen. So I hitchhiked this morning. And this is the Mopan River. Okay, the first leg of this journey, there's just like one house, so it'll be nothing but greenery, the river, the birds. It's been a few years since I've come here to this very location. This is a little stool right there.